to solve 145 binary tree on post-order traversal. So for the post-order traversal of a binary tree, it's gonna first start from the left node. So in this example, let's just check 8. We're gonna first start from the left side, and then right, and then node. Yeah. So this is our root node. So at the left side, there's nothing. So this is the first step. The second step is that we're gonna go to the right side of the subtree. So it's gonna be 2 and 3. And for this 2 and 3, we're gonna first go from the left side, which is 3, and on the right side there's nothing. It means 3, nothing, and 2. This is 3 and 2. Finally, we're gonna get 1. This is why it is 3, 2, and 1. If we understand the definition of the post-order traversal, normally we know how to solve it. So the easiest way to solve it is by using the recursive function. We're gonna define a list of integers, and we're gonna define it as a result. And here we're gonna use the array list. And finally, we're gonna call the function. It is a DFS function, and inside it's gonna be the root and result. Now let's just define a private function. Yeah, because we're gonna just use it once, and it's gonna be inside of the class. So it's gonna be a list of integers, and it is called DFS. And inside it's gonna be the root. This root is gonna be our tree node. Yeah, because this is the definition of the method. We need to define this. We're gonna give a root, and we're gonna give a list of integers. So it's gonna be the result. First of all, let's check if node not equal to none. So this means we're gonna call the recursive function. We're gonna first go to the left side. This is why it is left and result. And then we're gonna go to the right side. So node dot right and result. And then we need to put the value inside the array. So we need to add this value inside the result array. Node.val. Finally, we need to return the result array. Now let me just run it to check if it works. What is the wrong? Cannot find symbol. Node. Yeah, because here I define the root. It should be the node, because here I'm gonna define this function use node. Yeah, I think that's basically all about it. So here we pass the result. Maybe you want to use the answer. Maybe I think it doesn't matter. So here we're gonna use answer, the answer array. So finally we're gonna return this answer array. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So we pass the node, and we pass an answer array, and finally we're gonna return this answer array. So here actually we pass the root and the result, and finally we return this array. As you can see, it passed for all testing cases, and it's pretty fast, and the time and the space complexity are both O(n). That's about it.